Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, I hear you knocking. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, I hear you knocking. Somebody's knocking at my door. The drum is drumming at my door. The drum is drumming at my door. Oh, drum, I hear you drumming. The drum is drumming at my door. Oh, what is that? The bass is thumping at my door. The bass is thumping at my door. Oh, bass, I hear you thumping. The bass is thumping at my door. Oh, I hear something else. What could that be? The accordion is playing at my door. The accordion is squeezing at my door. Oh, accordion, I hear you squeezing. The accordion is squeezing at my door. Do you think we should do something silly? I mean, really silly. You do? Okay. Imagine there's a cow at my door. What would this cow do? What? You're right! That's exactly what a cow would do. A cow is mooing at my door. A cow is mooing at my door. Oh, cows, I hear you mooing. The cows are mooing at my door. That was so silly! Can you believe that a cow would be mooing at your door? That is just too silly. But what if there were a duck? What sound does a duck make? Oh, I know. A duck says woof. No? No, he doesn't. What does a duck say? Oh, I know. A duck says meow. Well, what does he say? What? You're right, he quacks. A duck is quacking at my door. A duck is quacking at my door. Oh, duck, I hear you quacking. A duck is quacking at my door. Now, I think I'm ready to hear some children singing at my door. Do you think that you could sing with us? You can? Oh, I'm so glad. Okay, get ready. Here we go. The children are singing at my door. The children are singing at my door. Oh, children, I hear you singing. The children are singing at my door. That was amazing. But I think you can sing a little bit louder. Maybe even so loud that your neighbor would hear. Do you think you can do that? You can? Okay, here we go. The children are singing at my door. The children are singing at my door. Oh, children, I hear you singing. The children are singing at my door. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you would like to see more videos with awesome music, you can click right here to subscribe to our channel. See you later!